Hello. Another rescue today, but this one a little bit different because this one is a job that I did about a year ago. He's brought it back because the top speakers, let me turn the camera around, these top speakers that we put in there on the towers are crackly, they don't sound very good, and the speakers in the back, which were a Pioneer Marine, actually sound a lot brighter and a lot louder than these ones. So we're going to pull these tower speakers out, including all the wiring and everything, and down the bottom here we're going to put these kickers 4 inches in those cup holders, just like that. One there and one on that side. I can run the wires through that hole. There's like a drain hole, I think. Alright, here's what we're going to do. We'll take our wire, pop it through this little drain hole, down like that. Screw that on right there. And then when I put some terminals on the back side here, which can be a quick disconnect, and then I have to unscrew the speakers when they remove this dash panel. Alright, speakers are in. The only thing left to do is turn it on and have a listen. Bluetooth.
This thing I call love, I can't handle it. I call love, I must get around to it. I ain't ready. Crazy thing called love. This thing